Well, guys, heading out to a park, and like always, I get really blessed by the car gods. So, nice Biscayne with a deep purple. We'll look at that one on my way out. But there's lots of beautiful rides out here. I can't wait. I'm trying to be quick because I have somewhere to go and somewhere to be. But there's so much cool stuff here. I know my buddy would appreciate that. 70s Nova. The Dodge is pretty dope. My boy Donnie would like that. Small blown C10. We saw this guy on the way up here, but I made a couple stops, so real nice Chevy delivery. Very cool. Real nice. We got two of a kind right here. But yeah. You know, Chevy guys got jokes, you know. It's beautiful, guys. I had to check it out. It's a 202 64 Comet station wagon with the surf rack. Very nice. Looks beautiful. It's a perfect family car. And a perfect car to have if you don't have one. Doesn't necessarily mean that you need to have a family to have a wagon or something like that, because that's actually not the case. Jesus. I think it's huge. Got a little big block on there. Fredericksburg. I think I seen this guy at the last show as well. May not be the same. But, and sure it is, that we were also following that guy. And I told my fiance, I was like, I bet you he's going to a car show. And sure enough, there he is. Really cool. You know what time it is? Really clean Camaro. Sick. Don't like those, but I know he just put them on because that's where the badges go. Rather have that than the two small holes. Got a nice custom deluxe Suburban here. Shit. Thing is nice. Whew. Loving it all. Feel kind of weird, you know, walking around with a damn camera around. Everybody's talking to somebody and I'm talking to myself. Really cool. God damn, that thing is nice. Love the color combo. Small block. Love the color combo on the wheels, gray with the blue. Real nice. Modern update. Patina truck looks beautiful, by the way. Damn, this thing is nice. Haven't seen a two-door in a while. New Yorker. Got a 63 Impala. Damn, that's bad. That's so cool right here. My boy Donnie would love that. GTX. There's actually another one of these, black, on the other side of the parking lot over there. And I'm lying, it's not on the other side of the parking lot. It's over there by, kind of close to where I'm parked. Beautiful radical paint job on this OBS. Mild, very mild. Oof. My fiance's dream truck is this. No, actually, this is a 58, 59. My girl's is a 58. Does this one have the... Yep. Still looks pretty dope. Jesus. So sexy. So... It is. This is a Comet. I was trying to figure out, should have looked at the front end to tell that it was a Mercury instead of the Mercury Comet instead of the Ford Maverick. Beautiful color, just like my dad's old Maverick. Same pinstripe and everything. If I'm not mistaken, my father's Maverick had the black stripes going across. I can't really remember. Would love to see pictures of that vehicle. 1940. Is 63 or 60? Yeah, 63. Fairlane. That's a cool Hummer right there. I'm just messing with you guys. You can tell this is a little bit of an older build. Love the etching on the windows. Really, really cool. Sheesh. Family activity and youth center. Man, that's a wide tire on that bike. Don't know if you can drive up in here, but some people are doing it.
That's the nicest car.
Man, I like that. Easy cruising with Stella. So you can see this is the Mustang. Beautiful pair. So this is the guy we were following on the way here. And I just knew that I was gonna just run into it. Sheesh, from Ohio. Check that out, Jason. Really cool. Small K truck. 94. That thing is pretty cool. So yeah, got some real nice rides for this show collectively. So can't really complain. It's always a nice day for me. Even when I'm out not looking for cars, I find cars. Real nice. Man, this Ford, it's clean. 100. That's nice. Whew. Pinstripe on this is insane for a nice patina truck. Check that out. Very cool. So like I said before, this is the deep purple Biscayne. Real cool, guys. Yes, you see a little bit of the info. I'm loving that candy colored glass skull. It's got some smoked effects in the front, and I thought for some reason it was in the back as well, but yeah, not bad. Got a little swap meet going on. Let's check out real quick what they got on this side. Nice Hurst. Yep. That's it, guys. Well, I know this is a real quick video. Like I said, I'm on a mission to go to the park. This was not part of today, so glad that I was able to stop by. It's a nice blazer right there, and there's not a lot of people here, believe it or not. Like maybe 20 cars. And there's the other GTX that I was talking about. But that's it, guys. That's what I got for today. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the day. Keep on cruising.